The 7-hole cord foot can be used for sewing 1 to 7 cords or decorative threads. Thread the cords through the respective guide holes on the foot. Pull the cords from under the guide slots to the back. Tie knots at the ends of the cords. Turn off the power when changing the presser foot. It's good for any low-shank machine that takes snap-on feet. Turn the hand wheel. Pull the threads to the back of the presser foot. Select a zigzag stitch. Set the stitch width to the maximum. Adjust to any stitch length. Arrange the cords neatly. Start sewing. Pull the fabric out parallel to the left side. Used for sewing 1 to 5 cords or decorative threads. You can choose multiple coordinating colors or use the same colors. You can easily embellish fabric and ribbons by combining different decorative stitches with different color cords. You can even use an invisible monofilament thread in the needle, so the stitches over the cords will be invisible.